Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a telephone hotspot to your simple booklet. This feature lets your readers click on a specific area of your page to instantly dial your phone number. Perfect for contact pages, customer service, or driving direct inquiries. So we're going to get started here today on the simple booklet dashboard, and we're going to select the booklet that we want to update. Once we've found it, we're going to go ahead and click on the Edit tab. Then before we add our hotspot, we're going to want to make sure that we're on the page that we want to add it to. So for this video, I'll be adding it to this page right over the number here. Then when you're on the correct page, you're going to make our way over to the toolbar on the left-hand side and click on the hotspot button. Then we're going to choose our action from this drop-down menu here and add the telephone number. And then after that, once everything's good to go, we're just going to go ahead and click on the Save button here. As you can see, the hotspot will pop up in the middle of the page. You're going to want to just click on it once, and you'll be able to drag it around the page wherever you want it, and then you can use these corners here to resize it. I'm going to make sure it's just over the phone number here. Perfect. And then just click one more time to exit the editor mode. Oh, looks like I just go ahead and fix this up. There we go. And then when your viewers are actually reading your booklet, they won't see this orange outline around it. Yeah, we just have that there in the edit mode. If you do have link highlights turned on, then this will flash whatever color you want it to, just to let your readers know that it's a clickable page in your booklet. So we can go ahead and see how that looks in the preview mode here. So as you can see, like I said, it lit up blue there for me. And if I click the number, so I'm on desktop right now, so that's why it's asking if I want to open FaceTime, but if I was on mobile, it would ask me if I wanted to call the number. And yeah, that's how it works. Adding a telephone hotspot supports the action stage of the reader's journey. It gives readers a direct, one-click way to connect with you, making it easier to capture leads, answer questions, or provide customer support without any extra steps. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to get the most out of Simple Booklet. Thanks for watching.